When Donald Trump slapped steep new tariffs on Indian goods, most people focused on the US India trade fallout. But something bigger may be unfolding. Those tariffs could be doing what years of diplomacy couldn't, pushing India and China closer together. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to visit China for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, his first trip there in 7 years. The timing just days after Washington announced a massive 50% tariff hike on Indian exports. Relations between India and China hit rock bottom after the 2020 Galwan Valley clash. Political trust evaporated, trade slowed, and people to people contact froze. But in 2024, the ice started to melt, with Modi and Xi Jinping meeting in Kazan. Since June, India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar have all made rare visits to China. Now Beijing is framing Modi's visit as a fresh start and an opportunity for the dragon and the elephant to dance together. Western commentators have suggested Modi is heading to China to hedge against the US after Trump's tariffs. But Beijing is pushing back. Global Times, mouthpiece of the Chinese Communist Party, says this isn't about taking sides. It's about defending free trade, resisting unilateral pressure, and pursuing mutual development. China's editorial line is clear. Washington's Indo-Pacific strategy, designed to contain China, does not fully align with India's own interest. India, they argue, is no pawn in America's geopolitical chess game. Instead, New Delhi is keeping its foreign policy independent, balancing its relationships with both Washington and Beijing. The piece portrays India and China as natural partners in the global south, two ancient civilizations, two emerging economic powerhouses, both opposed to unilateralism and in favor of a multipolar world order. From Beijing's perspective, there is far more to gain from cooperation in trade, counterterrorism, and cultural exchange than from rivalry. Still, China's message comes with a nudge. The editorial urges India to roll back restrictions on Chinese firms, ease tech worker visas, and resume direct flights, all measures Beijing believes were influenced by US security concerns. And then there is the SCO factor. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization offers a platform for India and China to collaborate outside of US-led alliances, a subtle but clear reminder that there is an alternative to Washington's orbit. So are Trump's tariffs on India unwittingly driving the world's two most populous nations towards each other? If Modi's China trips ends with new deals, restored trust, and a united stand on trade, history may remember this as the moment when a tariff war sparked an unlikely diplomatic thaw. Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.